equipped with all kind of labs with 24/7 coverage. So this modern facility, inshallah, will be serving an area of 2 million people. I've been there. I know the pathetic condition of the hospitals, and many of you here who have been to Guatemala and as a team, the students, the doctors who have been there, they know the condition. This will help to build a training hospital as well. So this is the hospital. The next slide, it shows basically the interior layout, and on the right side, Hazur Sayyid Mubarak Nasir Sahib to lay the foundation of this hospital just back on June 3rd, June 4th last month. And then you see some other people laying out the foundation of this hospital. Now currently, this hospital construction is in progress. We are targeting that we will complete this project inshallah by June 4th. I'm sorry, the project was initiated in October, and then the foundation was done on June 4th, and construction is in full swing. Our target inshallah is to complete the building of this hospital, the construction and all that, by September of next year inshallah. On the next page, it shows the great progress that is being made from the construction perspective. Bajis Khan Sahib is there full-time focusing and working with David and the team in Guatemala, and this all construction is going on. This project, as I mentioned, is $2.7 million. By the grace of Allah, we have raised $1.3 million, and the remaining need is $1.4 million. An immediate need, the payment that is due, inshallah, by October time frame is about $750,000. So the $750,000 seems like a large amount that we need to raise in next 2 months. My dear brothers and sisters, it is nothing. If 300 people commit $2,500, we can raise that very quickly. Or 600 people commit $1,250, we can do it. Or 1,000 people. Or if all of you are present here, call the back to the call of Imam and pitch in. This is nothing. This $1.4 million is nothing. But the critical time is that in September, October time frame, we need to make next payment. We don't want to stop the construction. I have full confidence with prayers of beloved Hazur that Allah will bless that. Allah will make you do this sacrifice, and inshallah, you will do it. You know, every past appeal, in the past, from the time of Promised Messiah, from the time of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Awwal or Sani, Radiyallahu or Khalifatul Masih Salis in Rabi, people sacrificed. Children stepped up and gave their pocket money that they had saved. Women gave their jewelries that they have saved. Adults gave up their cars or whatever they wanted to buy. They sacrificed. This is another call from your beloved Imam. This hospital shall be built, and inshallah will be built. You have to come and step up and join. So today, when you leave, please do not just walk by the Humanity First booth. Grab an envelope. Write something on it that you are willing to do. Whether it doesn't matter if you're a child or adult, if you're male or female, ladies side, every one of you, I urge that this is an urgent appeal. You must step up and write on envelope that what you like to do. Whatever you have in your pockets, give out, or whatever you can pledge. We really need this project to be done, and inshallah it will be done, and inshallah it will be serving the most neediest people of Guatemala. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
That brings this Jalsa to conclusion. Just want to give you some numbers. The total attendees, guests, 8,141, 4,140 are women, and 4,001 are men. Guests from 33 countries, 1,533, and online streaming reviewers for 4,980. I thank all the guests who came from long distances from other countries, from within the United States. And I also thank all the volunteers who work tirelessly to work and serve the guests of the Prophet Messiah. May Allah reward them for that. Always there are some problems, some inconveniences that experienced by guests. If any of you guests have a problem or have issues that we could not take care of you well, that on behalf of the management, I apologize. May Allah make this Jalsa a stepping stone to get closer to God Almighty and His Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who is the perfect guide forever for all mankind. And also, may Allah continue these blessings of these few days to flow throughout the year for us. When we go home, continue to pray as you have been praying here. Hazrat Khalifatul Masih's last khutbah, he emphasized and urged the Jamaat to increase our prayers and sadaqat. So please continue to follow the Hazur's instructions. The most important thing in prayers is Durood Sharif. Please have Durood abundantly. And pray for Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam and his companions. Pray for Khalifatul Masih. May Allah give him strength, healthy life, and provide him Ansar who can help him